Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and basically I'm just going to be talking about the stock market, my investing goals for the future, my regular portfolio updates, which I'm hoping to give to you once every few weeks, I'd say, if not once a month, but hoping to grow my YouTube channel as well. So anyway, enough rambling, because people really don't like it when you ramble, so I'll get straight into the video. And currently my investment ISA portfolio is at £1,679. And I'll just do a bit of a stock check with you now, and just to go over how many shares I hold. I'm not really in this for any growth or anything like that. I'm just basically want the dividends to reinvest the dividends as I receive them. So I'll go for it. And the first one we've got here is Coca-Cola. Good stock, pay a really good dividend as well. I'm up £21 on them. Like I said, it's not really relevant to me, but I'm just looking for the dividends, and I think there's a dividend due in the next coming months. I think it might be next month possibly, so I think I'm expecting around about £3 or £4 from the 7 shares that I own, which will get reinvested right back into the portfolio. An average price of £36.96. So that's the first one. The second one is Verizon, another good company. I own 5 shares in them. An average price of £45.90. Going down £1.99 at the moment, 0.87%. This is definitely one I'm going to keep hold of. I think it's quite undervalued at the minute. And I think when the 5G kicks in, that's when I think it'll kick off this. The next one I have is AbbVie. AbbVie, another one. I think they're quite undervalued at the moment. I own 3 shares in them at an average price of £61.95. As we go on to next is AT&T, another one who I think is at quite a good buying point right now. I think anything under £29 with these is £29 with these is really good, to be honest. 7 shares, average price of £23.87, up £13.50, 7.87%. This is one I'm definitely going to be looking to buy more shares in. We have next is Johnson & Johnson. Now these are a brilliant company, probably not at the best buying point right now, but I really want to be buying more shares of these in the future, as I've only got one at the moment, but up £6, so an average price of £105.04 when I got it. Next we have Imperial Brands. These are probably performing the worst out of all my stocks that I own at the moment, but I just see that as a good buying point for them. So yeah, down 6%, an average price of £20.49, 5 shares at the moment. We'll definitely be buying some more in my next round of investing. Next we have Royal Dutch Shell, another great company, pay a good dividend as well, 3 shares of these. It's an average of £24.84, up 3%, which is good. And next we have Barratt, real estate development company. I own 11 shares of these at £5.93, down 5% at the moment. And next we have Colgate, another great dividend paying company, been around for a long time. I currently have 1 share of these at an average price of £56.38, up 2%. Well, another one like Johnson & Johnson, hope to be putting a few more of these into the portfolio in the next coming months. Next we have BP. Like Shell, they pay quite a good dividend. 10 shares, average price of £5.52, down just about nearly 1%, not too bad. Next we have Aviva, a good insurance company. I think these are going to grow quite a bit. And I currently have 13 shares, the average price of £4.12, up 0.5% at the moment. Next we have Bank of America. I like to vary it up a little bit, get a few banks in there. I've got 2 shares of these at the moment. Average price of £21.96, up around 3.5% at the moment. I do quite like bank stocks, so I'll be adding more of them, I reckon. Next is US corporate bond, which is good. Well, I mainly bought this because it has the monthly dividend, which is what I'm all about. But 1 share at the moment, will definitely be adding more. The average price of £41.73, up almost 3%. Next, we have Ford. They're also at quite a good buying point, I think, at the moment. Bit of a dip. Well, got 5 shares of these at the moment. I actually bought a couple more shares today of Ford. Average £7.95, up 0.77%. And next we have Wells Fargo. This is a Warren Buffett special. He owns quite a lot of shares in these. 1 share at the moment. We'll be looking to add more. Average price £35.88, up 2.27%, which is good. Pays a good dividend as well. Taylor Wimpey, 14 shares, down 13% at the moment. Average price of £1.81. And next we have another banking stock, CYBG, I think is quite undervalued at the moment. 11 shares, average price £1.97, down 6% at the minute on my investment. We have Lloyd's, another banking stock, another one that I think is really undervalued at the moment. I think it could has the potential to shoot back up, but 33 shares at the moment, average 63 pence, down 7%. Then we have Legal and General, 7 shares, average price of £2.75, down almost 3%. Then we have Commercial Properties. I've basically got these in the portfolio. They pay a monthly dividend. It's not much, but it's really cheap, so I'm hoping to get around about 100 shares of these in the near future, just to try and bump the dividend up a little bit. But average price £1.18, down almost 6%. Then we have National Grid, another one which I think's pretty good. 2 shares of these, average price of £8.13, up 4% nearly. Utilities, gas utilities. But yeah, I'll be looking to add a few more of them as well. And the last 2 we have is Vodafone. I got them because I thought it was quite a good buying point, and I think they could be on the up in the near future, especially with 5G coming in soon. And then lastly we have Debenhams. I just bought them because they were really cheap, and just in case they do get bought out and the share price goes up again at some point in the future, but we'll see. So yeah, that's it guys with my portfolio update and my first video, which is now on the channel. I just want you to let me know, and if anything I can improve on. I know I'm probably pretty bad at this for my first video I've ever made, and being a Mancunian as well, which if you can't understand what I'm saying, then I'll try and work on how I say things on the next video. But yeah, give it a like and subscribe please. I want to try and get this channel as big as possible, and I'll be back soon with another portfolio update. See you later guys.